close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment. Washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are. This unique expression of divine light and love. Allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. Healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing, and allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose. Allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet, and finally that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards: 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some beautiful place. Some place where you allow yourself to be present in the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation. Just standing there and allowing yourself to know that of course you are worthy and deserving of experiencing this. Giving yourself permission to acknowledge the truth that you truly are a magnificent child of the universe, worthy and deserving of the best this world has to offer. There really is nothing that is too good for you. No place, no experience, nothing is too wonderful for you. And that doesn't mean that now you have to be attached to that and feel bad about not being there. Just allow yourself to be excited about what's possible. And giving yourself permission to feel peace right here and right now. Because in that place of peace, you have greater access to your brilliance, your abilities, your gifts, your talents. Giving yourself permission to love yourself right here, right now. And looking back at the past choices you've made, past circumstances you've been in, and allow yourself to be really loving and compassionate with your past self for whatever choices you've made, for the times that you've chosen to be uncomfortable, the times that you've decided to be upset about things. Allowing yourself to know that some part of you felt that was necessary, either in order to make a change or to keep yourself from making changes. By limiting your well-being, limiting your past, looking for ways to limit your peace of mind. Because part of you knows that when you have peace of mind, you have the ability to make positive changes. So being compassionate with that part of you that says, I'm afraid of making changes, and looks for ways to stay stuck. Allowing yourself to really love and appreciate those parts of you that have done that, believing that was necessary. And now reassuring yourself that you can handle an awesome life. You can handle health, wealth, happiness, love, success. These are your birthright. And there really is nothing that is too good for you. And now it's just up to you to choose it. Knowing that it's okay for you to have better, allowing yourself to choose better. And allowing yourself to trust that what is better for you ends up being better for others as well, even though it might not look like it at first. Some people might even think it's an inconvenience for them, but that's because they have limited thinking. And that's for them to tap on. Allowing yourself to trust that what is truly for your highest good will not take away from anyone else's highest good. In fact, it will most likely add to their highest good. It will support their highest good. Sacrificing your highest good for someone else doesn't really help them. And allowing yourself again to be compassionate with your past self for all those times that you might have done that. Allowing yourself to release the confusion and recognize that what is best for you ends up being best for the world. And if it's objectively not best for somebody else, then allowing yourself to look at it and say, okay, maybe it's not really best for me either. And getting more clear about what is really for your highest good. And allowing yourself to trust that what's really right is going to feel really good. And will lead to opportunities that are joyful and abundant and that feel really, really good. So really allowing yourself to be in this beautiful place right now, looking around and just saying, I deserve this. Allowing yourself to know that that's the truth, allowing that sense that that's the truth to continue growing in every fiber of your being. As we go even deeper now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before. Much more aware of your awesomeness, much more aware of how deserving you are of an awesome life. Feeling much more confident that that actually benefits others as well. Knowing that it's a win-win situation. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, You wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day, again, powerfully moving forward into an ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. And now we go back down to zero, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all of these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level, so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake, and welcome back.